Camera check.
I think we're recording.
Are we recording right now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Okay. Oh, fuck yeah. Here we go, Mom. Let's do it.
Let her rip, bro.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey guys, it's Dale from RFN Studios with my main man, JC.
JC, baby. Bring it in. Bring it in.
Crowd goes wild.
Easy now. Easy now. Come on. Easy.
So, we're here again. We're going to do another reaction video.
Yeah.
This time it's something a little heavy.
Yeah, we're back to...
I'm thinking.
We got metal. Metal.
The band is Fit for an Autopsy.
Correct.
Sounds heavy.
Yeah, it sounds very heavy.
You know, if I was guessing. The song is called Mirrors.
Yes.
It just came out 2 days ago.
It's got 50,000 views.
50K views
that's
already.
A lot for
for a metal band.
you
Yeah,
know
man.
What I mean?
Yep.
2 days ago.
Good for them. We've been listening to this band for a long time.
It's a band we're very familiar with.
Back when Nate Fisher was banging vocals out, that's when we became. It sounded like those. That's when we Yep.
Anyway.
That's when we became fans.
Continue.
No, don't apologize dude,
for those sick vocals.
Yeah. Don't you dare apologize for those golden pipes.
Yeah.
So
band we're very familiar with.
Yeah.
Haven't heard this song yet. It's called Mirrors, and we kind of have high hopes, I guess.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, they're good band.
Yep.
Good band.
So, all right, let's see what happens here.
Let's tune in.
Yeah.
See what happens. Little clean intro here, huh?
Yeah.
A little something.
Breaking Banish.
I don't know if that's...
Hooray!
Yeah.
I'm waiting for that any minute. Seems pretty personal.
It does.
Like,
Yeah.
definitely going to be a bit emotional here.
You can tell already that
Yeah.
something's going, something's stewing. Interesting.
You know who that sounds a lot alike, man? And so did their last album.
Who's that?
Gojira.
Oh man, I think Gojira kind of influences. I mean, Gojira's huge, and they're great, fantastic.
Yeah.
But it does. It's kind of like vocals are similar, and they do a lot of that slow, groovy kind of shit. You know what I mean?
Oh shit.
Where are we going now? So that was just like the intro. Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, I love that tail end.
This is more like what Fit for an Autopsy I'm familiar with.
So, what do you think so far?
You know what? The intro is not at all what I expected.
Yeah,
they came out with that like clean kind of intro, and I didn't know where it was gonna go.
Right.
Honestly, I was kind of like afraid that I wasn't gonna like it at all.
Yep.
And then they came out with like you said, the kind of Gojira sound and stuff.
Yep, that slower.
It's like this is cool. It's not really what I'm familiar with from Fit for an Autopsy.
Yeah, they you know, they've what's the word? Evolutionized or whatever. They've changed.
Yeah, they evolved.
Evolutionized.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure. Go, you guys go ahead and Google it. Leave in the comments who's right.
Yeah. Yeah, that was right.
Revolutionization-ized.
Yeah,
is probably
words.
Right.
He's a modern Shakespeare. He's great. So this video has what? 3,600 likes, 76 dislikes.
Dang.
Dude, that's pretty good, man. Fit for an Autopsy.
I never uploaded a video that had more likes than dislikes. I didn't think that was even possible.
Yeah, something's going. They got to get that figured out.
Wonder if it's a glitch.
It's a glitch in the Matrix. Yeah, take the blue pill.
I love when
I gotta work on my whatever that big guy's name was. Take the blue pill. Don't take the red pill. I've never seen the movies.
Morpheus.
Yeah, Morpheus. Yeah.
So anyway, spot on.
It was pretty good.
So yeah, I didn't dig the intro much at first either.
Yeah.
But it did work as a great build up for when that verse kicked in.
It was clean.
Yep.
And then it built up.
It's a nice build up, man. A lot of songs don't do that anymore. I was just talking to Tyler about that the other day, man.
Yeah.
They just come in balls to the wall, which sometimes that's what you're going for.
Sometimes if you want some proper metal, that's
what
you want.
If you listen to Opeth and things like that, they're the masters of like building up the song, and then when it kicks in, it's incredible.
I mean, you can go back to like Zeppelin, like Stairway to Heaven or something. You know what I mean? It's a perfect build up.
Yeah, and a lot of metal doesn't do that, man. They come out,
But I mean,
just
the fact that you bring up Opeth, I mean, and they're in my eyes gods when it comes to metal.
Yeah.
Not the
church metal.
Yeah.
Whatever. All right, let's
keep listening.
Yeah, or these guys are going to be here forever. Ooh, yeah.
Me like. All right. Interesting. You're gonna do that in the mosh?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Uh-oh. Is it making you mad? Oh no. Let me see a pic. Oh, hell yeah.
Nice.
There's that Go Gyro you were talking about.
Yeah, they do the triplet double bass a lot in their songs too.
And then there's the lead singer in the background just has that very
Yeah, I know you mean. Just like that.
Just like that. Ooh.
Back to that beginning part?
Yeah.
Genius.
I like the fact that they brought it back.
Yeah.
Circling around. Circle of life.
Nice. Oh shit.
Oh, now what's going on?
Who's that guy?
Something's going on. What's gonna happen? What's happening?
Uh-oh.
It's not so bad, I guess.
No, man.
You like that part?
Yeah, that's a good breakdown.
Yeah. It's not a bad breakdown. Yeah. Is that the ending?
That's it, dude.
Oh, man. That ending
That's it.
That was a pretty chaotic ending.
Yeah. He felt like he was going. Yeah. He felt like he was going. Yeah. He felt like he was going. Yeah.
Really nailed it
It
there,
sounded
didn't they?
just like that.
Yeah.
Let me go! Just like that.
So what are your thoughts? New Fit for an Autopsy.
That was a banger. Yeah.
It was a good, through and through, that was a good song. The song had great progression.
Yeah, man.
Started off, didn't think I was going to like it when it first started off, if I'm completely honest. The clean intro, but it progressed and it got better and better. And
Yep. That verse, man.
Yeah.
That was a banger.
That
thrashy verse.
That was heavy.
And then when they go from the thrash beat to just the double bass in the verse, reminded me of like Brother Von Doom type stuff.
Oh, yeah. Prime.
I was digging that,
Best.
man.
The best, man.
And then when they went to that real heavy part with the real low vocals, nasty.
Yeah.
Well done, well produced. It sounded great.
Great, yeah.
Yeah.
They never never disappoint. I don't think I've ever listened to a song by Fit for an Autopsy and was like, that was a bad song.
Right.
Yeah, or just farted.
Or farted.
Or just farted.
Right,
Yeah.
Right. Well, on that note,
on the farted note, let's wrap this shit. Let's wrap it up.
Yeah, I'm with you.
But
subscribe,
like and subscribe,
and stay tuned.
Stay tuned
Because if you don't, I swear, this guy right here.
Yeah, more videos to come. All right.
Yeah.
You see these?
He's gonna come with more videos.
You want to see these coming at you?
You don't want those.
In 3D?
You don't want those.
Huh? Oh.
Whoa! Hey!